One thing that is common to Leaving Cert, ordinary level, and junior cert is the idea of a ratio. So here we're going to be looking at ratio and how to solve it. Two different rowers, A and B, compete in a race. As they row, their bodies burn calories. They burn calories in the ratio A to B 10 to 11. What that mean? A burned 10 and B burnt 11. Now, together, if I add that up, that means the ratio have 21 equal parts. And out of that 21 equal parts, 10 went for A and 11 went to B. That's how we understand ratio. So during the race, they burned a total of 53.55 calories between them. So we have to find out how many calories each rower burned during the race. So how do we do that? So that's where conversion comes in extremely handy for this type of calculation. So on one side, we are saying 21, and let's call them equal parts. Well, let's call them, that's what they are. 21 equal parts, in this case, gave 53.55 calories. So the question is, so when we are solving for A, we are saying that A got what? 10 of equal parts, and then we don't know X calories. And how do we solve that? We cross multiply it. So X multiplied by 21, that will be the same as 53.55 multiplied by 10. And obviously we want the value of X, so we divide both sides by 21, and that way we have X on its own. We put that in our calculator, and we get that it is 25.5. So that's our row A, and we do exactly the same for row B. So the main part remained the same. The only difference is row B got what? 11 equal parts. And again, we don't know how many calories. So again, let's remove that calculation. And now let's do row B. So again, we cross multiplied 21 multiplied by X. And on the other side, 53.55 multiply by 11. And again, we want the value of X, so we divide both sides by 21. We put that fraction in the calculator, press equal, and we get is 280.5. So that's how many rower B got. Okay. The two rowers, A and B, compete in a different race. In this race, they burn calories in ratio AB is 1 to R. So in this part, A got 1, B got R. Together, they got 1 plus R, isn't it? It doesn't matter, we don't have a number, but we're doing exactly the same. At the end of the race, they burn a total of 57.5 calories between them. Row A has burned 25 calories. Well, therefore, we have to find that value of R. So again, we compare like with like, and it doesn't matter which side you're going to write. So this side, let's start with 57.5 calories. So let's put calories on this side. That gives me how many equal parts? 1 plus R. 1 plus R equal parts. Now, this is kind of a tip for you what to do when you have letters. If you are a little bit confused about what to do with letters, think about what would you do if that letter was a number, like what we've done in previous part. In previous part, we had 10 and 11 and we add them. So the same thing here, 1 and R, we add them. And that's how we get that value. So again, what we know this time is that 25 calories went to row A, and row A got what? 1. Oh, that shouldn't be red. 1 of those equal parts. So again, how do we solve it? Cross multiplied. So 57 0.5 multiplied by 1, and on the other side 25 multiplied by our bracket 1 plus r. And yes, you are thinking, oh, should I multiply the bracket? You can multiply the bracket, or you can say, well, I am looking for the value in the bracket, therefore that 25 should go from here. It's a multiplication. How do we eliminate multiplication? By dividing and dividing both sides of the equation. So that means on this side of the equation, we have 57.5 divided by 25. And on the other side, we have 1 plus r. Now, we want r, not 1 plus r. What do we do with this one? We move it to the other side, therefore change the sign to opposite. It will become minus 1. So now we have all numbers on the other side of the equation, r on its own. We put all these numbers in our calculator, press equal, and we get that value of r is 1.3. So I know that conversion can be done in a lot of different ways. The thing is that sometimes we divide, sometimes we multiply. But when we write it out this way, we don't have to think, what do I divide? What do I multiply? It just falls by itself in place.